For the longest time, the beauty industry has told us a lie, that in order to get results with your skin, we need to force it, burn it, peel it, shock it, stronger, deeper, harder. But ask yourself this, is your skin actually glowing or is just trying to survive under attack? And what if your skin doesn't need to be conquered, but it just needs to be supported? Hello. If you're new here, I'm Nirit. I'm an holistic skin therapist, and my goal is to help you make skincare a beautiful act of self-love, fun, easy, simple, and effective. Makes sense, right? So in the holistic world, there's often fear of technology. Like, people think that gentle, holistic, and natural means only using hands or plants. But today I want to reframe the way we think about modern skin treatments. We're going to look at feminine energy. This isn't about a gender, it's about energy. It's about moving away from the masculine paradigm of fixing and fighting, and moving toward a feminine paradigm of nurturing and communicating with the skin. We have been taught that results from the skin comes from fixing, from corrections. We've been conditioned to believe that pain is beauty and you have to suffer to be beautiful. But here is the science the science that the industry ignores. Listen, your skin is directly connected to your nervous system. Everything in your body does. When we use aggressive machines that trigger a pain response or stress response, we spike cortisol. As we always say, high cortisol kills your glow. It increases inflammation and tells your skin barrier to shut down because you are in survival mode. It's not the time to heal and repair. It's the time to fight, flight, or freeze. Healing cannot happen in survival mode. Healing happens in safety. So, how can we use high-tech tools to create safety instead of stress? Feminine technology, what is it? Well, we switch to technology that mimics the body's own natural rhythm. We stop shouting at the cells and start whispering to them. Now, so let's start about the first technology example, device. I start with microcurrent. Microcurrent, small current of energy that stimulate the muscles under the skin and help with contour and toning the skin. Think of it as conversation. Microcurrent speaks to the body's electrical language, to the body electric. It doesn't shock the muscle into submission. Oh my God. It's re-educates them. It's like yoga to your face, building tone through consistent, gentle engagement, not force. It's very pleasant. You can feel a little bit of tingling while we do the microcurrent, but it's not like shocking your face. I hope not. If it does, bad device. And then we have, for example, the LED light therapy. This is pure energy. Just like plants turn sunlight into energy, your cells use LED light to regulate and repair. It's not burning anything away. It's giving your mitochondria, the battery pack of energy of your cells, the energy that they need to do for their job of healing the skin. LED light, tons of research, tons of science based. I love it. I always say, like, if you want to invest in one device for home, LED light mask. I've tested, tried many. I have come down to one that I really love and I recommend. I will remember to link down in the description box if you want to try. But I saw a lot of change in my glow. But anyway, let's move on. The next one, radio frequency. When used gently, it's not about burning fat or melting structure. A lot of people are afraid or have a bad reputation of radio frequency, saying it can burn the fat on the face. If it does, wrong device. Because true radio frequency, it's not about that. It's about warming the tissue to support collagen communication. It encourages the skin to thicken and firm up on its term, and you can always change. We always change the strength of the treatment to your skin. And finally, another tool that I'm using is the ultrasound. Sound waves, just like it sounds, it really helps to deliver the skin cocktail that I'm using with that, different skin cocktails like vitamin C, like peptide, whatever, to help it penetrate deeper into the skin. And we use it very wisely. We are working with the structure of the face, using sound wave to create lift with no traumas, lift with a glow. This isn't about doing less, it's about doing it with intelligence and respect to your skin. So these were just examples of devices that I use in the salon, in the, for example, facial face fitness treatment. But I want to connect it all to one thing, to basically the secret ingredient that most clinics miss. And I think there's amazing salons out there, but I find this point life-changing. The state of your nervous system create the outcome of the treatment. When treatment feel rushed, cold, or aggressive, the body contracts, the tissues tighten, the flow of blood is stagnant. But when a treatment feels safe, slow, and intentional, everything relaxes. You are ready, you are open to receive, the skin opens, the parasympathetic nervous system turns on. You are not in survival mode anymore, you are in rest and repair, rest and digest, and this is where regeneration actually happens, and healing. And your skin is not always in a need of more, better stuff, products or whatever. Sometimes it just needs more safety. I remember in the past, before I had my salons, when I used to visit other salons, and they were great, but there were things I collected in my mind that I don't want to bring to the salon, because it's very important for me that the first feeling you feel when you enter is, it's safe here, it's calm, it's relaxed, it's a space that welcomes me. So I will never use like strong, harsh lights. There will never be radio turn on. There is a soft, beautiful music, but there's no people coming in and out the room. And this is not what I want to signal to my clients. And all this that we spoke about, the devices and the feminine way of technology, is the foundation of the face fitness method. A treatment I created after using each one of these, and still using each one of these devices, and decided to make a complete treatment to my clients, because everybody always asks me like, what are you using it on? What are you doing? So I'm doing this, the face fitness. And it's not just about the machine. It's a technology paired with touch. Results paired with regulation. We use technology to stimulate the energy and my hand, to sculpt the form and calm nervous system. It's a dance between science and intuition and emotions and feeling. So if you're tired of treatments that leave you feeling raw or exposed or not safe or super red and irritated, try shifting your perspective. Skincare doesn't need force. It needs more listening. Like, I don't think if somebody doesn't feel well, if we shout on him, he's gonna be better. Or if someone is in a like not so amazing state, like anxious or something, if I will shout on him to relax, that's the last thing this person is gonna do. So the skin is the same. We want to listen to it. We want to approach it with love. And with the face fitness, I made it like a combination. So the devices together with the facial massage that everybody love, gentle masks, nice soft serums and skin cocktails to make it a beautiful, complete treatment. If this approach resonates with you and you want to understand the deeper science behind these tools, I also will link, just remember, I also will link the full blog post that I wrote about it below, that you can read more. And of course, I'm always welcome you to try it out. You can try one session, but these things, it's like going to the gym. You get results if you do a few. And yeah, I think you will love it. If you want to see results, if you're into gadgeting and that actually work, you are very welcome. Don't forget to subscribe for more inspirational videos and routine that honor your nervous system as much as your skin. Thank you for coming. Thank you for watching. See you next time.